What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide a post on Instagram without deleting them. Right, so how do you do that? Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to first make a post. So first let me go ahead and click on my profile here on the right hand side, lower right hand side. Now, so as you can see, I have a bunch of different videos here, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a simple post. So what I'm going to do, let me click on the plus on the bottom, and I'm going to make sure that I click on post, and I'm going to select this image, click next, and I'm going to simply share this picture. Now, as you can see that the picture is finishing posting. As you can see, it's on my profile here. And when I click my profile on the lower right hand side, you can see that that picture is posted, right? Simple click on the picture, then click on the three dots at the top, and you simply want to click on archive. Now, once you click on archive, guys, and go back to your profile, you will not find it anymore because this will move into archive, right? Now, in case you want to unhide this, it's very easy. All you have to do, make sure that you click on your profile on the lower right hand side, then click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to click on archive. Now from here, guys, you will see it on the post archive. If it's a story archive or a live archive, you have to click the drop down at the top there and you will be able to see it. So let's say you make a post archive and it's someone story archive, you might be wondering where is that archive, but just keep in mind that you need to change it to whichever archive you need. So if it's a story or a live or a post, you need to change it to that. So I'm going to put it back to post. Now, as you can see, I have the post there. Now, all I have to do to unhide this, I just need to click on it, then click the three dots at the top right hand side here, and then I will click show on profile. Then click show again. Then it says restored. Now, all I have to do is just go back and switch between stories or something and click the post archive again, and as you can see, it's no longer there. Then if I go back to my pictures on my profile, guys, and refresh, you might be wondering how comes you're not seeing it. All you have to do, just simply go ahead and click the three dots at the lower left hand side, close Instagram, reopen Instagram again, click your profile, and there you have it. The picture is there. And that's how you can easily hide and unhide a post on Instagram without deleting them. Very easy and very simple.